Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Nug Bacon and Egg Pie from the Dragon Age Cookbook. The ingredients I'll be using are 6 slices of bacon, half of a thinly sliced tomato, 1 small onion that I've thinly sliced, 3 mushrooms that I have thinly sliced as well. For the seasonings, I have 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped sage, a little bit of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of milk, 6 eggs, and you'll also need 2 pie crusts. I've already taken the liberty of rolling one of those out, so we can go ahead and start bringing this together. Let me move some of these out of my way. I'm going to bring my pie shell just a little bit closer and start by laying the bacon in the bottom of my pie crust. Next in is going to be a layer of the onions, followed by the mushrooms. Now that I have those in, the next thing to go in is going to be the tomato. And I just want a nice even layer of the tomato. Now that I have all the layers in, I'll set that over to the side and bring my eggs in. Add in the 2 tablespoons of milk, the salt and the pepper, and the sage. And then these just get whisked together. Now that I have the egg mixture, it gets poured over across the top of the pie. And then the last thing is the top of the pie crust goes across the top, like so. After you've cut off the excess pie crust, just go around with a fork and crimp the edges shut. Add a couple of slits in the center for a steam vent, and then if you want to, with a little bit of the extra pie crust, you can do a little bit of decoration on top. Alright, I think this is going to look really nice when it comes out of the oven. I am going to be baking it on top of the cookie sheet just in case there's any spillage. And it will go into a 400-degree oven where it's going to bake for about 30 minutes or until it's cooked all the way through and the top is a nice golden brown. The pie is out of the oven. I did let it cook for almost an hour. I found that the top crust just wasn't cooking all the way through like I wanted it to. About halfway through, I did cover the edges up just so they didn't burn. But yeah, it is all nice and done. It's beautifully layered inside. And all I have left to do is try it out. I did let it sit out for about a half an hour, or not half an hour, about 10 minutes. So it could cool down just a little bit. I didn't want to burn my mouth when I tried it out. This is really good. I love all the layers in here. I definitely get the sage, but it's not overwhelming. Everything is cooked, as though I do wish the bacon was kind of crispy, which I knew it wasn't going to do that the way we layered it in. So if I make this again, I'll probably go ahead and pre-cook the bacon and lay the cooked strips inside of it. But that's just my personal preference. Overall, I really have enjoyed this dish. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.